Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Navigate to Organize, and next we're going to select. I'm going to quickly check if this is what we need to select, and it's not. Ah, there we go. Manage SIM. So once you select the Manage SIM option, it will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. As you can see, for me they are almost all grayed out and deselected, and I can't select them as all of these contacts exist on the Google account that the device is by default trying to import contacts to. And as you can also see, this is a drop-down menu, so I can choose something like, for instance, device. And with this being selected, I can now import all the contacts, as there is not a single contact on the device itself. And obviously, if you don't have any kind of Google account signed in, you won't have the Google account show up, and you actually won't have this entire area right here visible at all. Anyway, you can also deselect contacts that you don't want, and from there, click on Import. Now, Google has the stupidest idea of trying to delete your contacts from the SIM card. I recommend not doing this, as these contacts never get in your way, so they are just a safe keep backup on your SIM card that you can access if something would ever happen that you would need them. So I'm going to be selecting Keep, as it's the logical option, and this pop-up shouldn't even be showing up in my opinion. And now when we go back to contacts, depending on where you imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. So I'm going to click right here, select device, and you can see all the contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.